All right, so I have seen more posts than I really would like to on kitties getting out of RV doors. And so I wanted to share what my husband has done to help kitty proof our RV, so hopefully it will help others. So first things first, we replaced this bottom screen. I apologize for the road noise, we're close to the highway. See how tough that is? This is actually called Lippert Screen Defender. And you can see like it just snaps in there. So he pulled out our screen and he put this in there. So even if you have dogs, I mean, they can't scratch holes in this, but our cats like to pluck. So that's the first thing. So they can't put holes to get through that way. The second thing is he installed this Lippert screenshot. This was actually not for the kitties, but to help us so we could get in and out of the camper door. And you can see I have a friend that's coming up. I don't know if she's gonna get in the video or not, but she's already interested because I opened the door. Yeah, she comes. What you doing, Mary? You trying to get out of the door here? Are you gonna show how to work it? Okay, honey, hi. No, you can't go outside, I'm sorry. You know better. Okay. So what this little thing does here, sorry, I digress. So you push this down, right? You push this down and it opens up. See that? Without it down, you can't open it. It doesn't. You have to push this physically down and it opens. Now you would think, well, that's not great because a cat can jump up, and they can. And they can put enough, if you put enough pressure, they can pop it open. So what we did is, show you right here, we put a nice command hook that's really sturdy and a bungee. And we use this bungee, we pull it down and we pop it right in there. You see how it's pulling up on that lever? So now, I mean, you would have to shove down to get that thing open. We see her and she'll jump and she'll do like this, and you can see it's not going anywhere. So these things is what's really helped us. It's a simple little easy hack. Hopefully it helps other people because it's heartbreaking seeing all these kitties getting free of the RVs. And we still always make sure that if we have our camper door open like this, that we're supervising the door, but it really has worked great and we haven't seen anybody else get out. We had one of ours that did get out before we did this, and my husband luckily was right there and he got her real quick, but after that it scared us so bad that he found another solution. So hopefully that's helpful. Take care. Bye.